This is Amazon Fire HD 8 Cats Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. First step that you need to take is to open the apkcombo.com website. Then at the search bar over here, type in the caffeine query, like so. Once the needed APK file is found, that is this one from Caffeine, we can just go ahead and download the APK installation file. After it will be downloaded, we'll just go ahead and install it as well. Then open it, and in here all that's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has been set to the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app stays active in the background, so make sure not to close it, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.